Hello again. In this short video, I would like to explain in the middle section of your platform the icon called homework, which is possibly the most important icon in the whole platform. Okay, so as I explained on the first day of class, in blended learning, what we do, students at home prepare the materials and they study the contents at home, and so that they can really use their time when they come to class, because when they come to class they are supposed to know all the theory, and then basically we put that theory in practice, okay, with some practical activities, normally speaking, sometimes listening, reading, or writing, it depends. Okay, so to do that, after every class, normally, ideally on Fridays, okay, Friday afternoons, if you click on the icon homework, okay, you will see a little chart, okay, and it will tell you, for example, for our next class, which is on the 4th of October, this is on the left what I must study at home, okay? And as you can see, you have here lesson 1 and the title of the lesson, and then you have some direct links to the sections of the lesson that I am interested in, okay? So when you simply click on those links, it will take you directly to that lesson, to that part of the lesson, okay? So if you click there, you can see, yeah, that you get only this part of the lesson open. All right, so it's a good way to just select the really important parts for our next class. Okay, so this is very important that you do at home, that you study, that you do the activities that come with the lesson, and that most of the times on your notebook, if you can take some notes of what you studied, or make like a little summary or a little diagram to help you understand better. And of course, if you have questions or any doubts when you come to class, you can ask them, okay? And here on the right, you have the section for the tasks, okay? Right now, we don't have any official tasks open because we just started, but right now I've included some tasks that you need to do. For example, I put here, you need to answer the questionnaire that is in the platform, asking you some questions about you and about your English, etc. And also as a task, I am asking you to upload your photo to the profile, okay? But in the future, you will see official tasks that I'm going to evaluate, okay? So you simply, you click on the links and then you go directly to the tasks and you'll be able to do them. All right, so this is all about the homework, and I hope you understand everything and you find it very useful. Okay, see you in the next video.